Number 1. Welcome to our review of the Insta360 ONE RS 360 edition. This is an incredibly innovative camera that lets you capture your world in immersive 360-degree photos and videos. It is one of the most advanced 360 cameras on the market and has a lot of features that make it stand out from the competition. The Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition has a high-resolution dual-lens design with a 1-inch sensor and an impressive 8K resolution. This camera has an impressive shutter speed of 1/8000th, allowing you to capture the perfect shot in any lighting condition. The Insta360 ONE RS 360 edition also has an array of features that make it a great choice for 360-degree videography and photography. The camera offers a range of shooting modes such as time-lapse, slow motion, and hyperlapse for capturing stunning shots and videos. It has a range of editing tools including Smart Track and face tracking, making post-production a breeze. The Insta360 ONE RS 360 edition is also compatible with a range of accessories such as external microphones, tripods. With its 3D depth mapping technology, the ONE RS allows you to capture immersive footage with a single lens and no stitching required. With the ONE RS, you can capture 5.3K 360 footage at 30 fps and 4K 360 footage at 60 fps. It also features 6-axis stabilization, allowing you to capture smooth, stable footage even if you're on the move. To make it even better, the ONE RS is waterproof up to 10 meters and dustproof, so you can take it with you anywhere and get amazing shots in any environment. The ONE RS also comes with a range of accessories to help you capture the perfect shot. The innovative bullet time to 0.0 allows you to capture dramatic slow-motion shots with the ONE RS. And with the invisible selfie stick, you can get in on the action without being seen in the shot. Number 2. Are you looking for the ultimate 360-degree camera? Look no further than the GoPro Max. With its revolutionary design and advanced features, the GoPro Max is the perfect choice for capturing stunning, immersive footage with ease. The GoPro Max features 180-degree lenses that capture stunning 5.6K footage at up to 30 frames per second. It also offers a range of creative options, including Time Warp 2.0, Power Pano, and Max Superview modes. With these unique modes, you can produce stunning, cinematic quality footage with ease. Plus, the GoPro Max has a range of advanced features that make it ideal for capturing unique perspectives. With its built-in horizon leveling, you can easily capture smooth, level footage on the go. It also has a live streaming mode, allowing you to easily share your adventures with friends and family. And with its voice control and touchscreen display, you can quickly and easily control your GoPro Max with ease. The GoPro Max is the perfect choice for capturing stunning 360-degree footage with ease. With its range of advanced features and unique modes, you can easily produce cinematic quality footage with ease. So, if you're looking for the ultimate 360. Number 3. Welcome to the world of 360 photos and videos with the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a revolutionary 360 camera that lets you create stunning photos and videos of your world from any angle. With its 180 lenses, the Insta360 X3 captures an immersive photo or video with a single click. You can easily share your photos and videos with friends and family with just a few taps. The Insta360 X3 is equipped with advanced features like advanced stabilization and AI-powered editing tools. With the Insta360 X3, you can create professional-looking photos and videos with ease. The Insta360 X3 also has a powerful mobile app that lets you edit and share your content quickly and easily. The Insta360 X3 is the perfect tool for capturing and sharing amazing 360 photos and videos with its easy-to-use features. You can create stunning images and videos with just a few clicks. Whether you're a professional photographer or a novice, the Insta360 X3 will help you take your photo and video projects to the next level. Welcome to the world of 360-degree filmmaking with the Insta360 X3. This ultra-compact, lightweight 360-degree camera is the perfect tool for creating stunning, immersive films or photos. With the Insta360 X3, you can capture 8K resolution images and videos in stunning clarity. You can also capture 3D audio and videos, so you can be sure your films will have a professional and immersive feel. The Insta360 X3 also comes with an array of powerful features, including flow state stabilization, which helps keep your shots steady and blur-free. The camera also has a range of real-time editing tools, allowing you to make changes on the fly. Plus, the Insta360 X3 is compatible with a range of accessories, allowing you to customize your setup for any project. The Insta360 X3 is perfect for any filmmaker looking to capture their stories in stunning 360-degree detail. Number 4. Welcome to the world of immersive 360 content with the Ricoh Theta X. The Ricoh Theta X is the perfect device for capturing and creating stunning 360 content. It's an easy-to-use, pocket-sized camera that allows you to capture photos and videos in a complete 360 field of view. With its intuitive design, you can capture your world and share it in new ways. The Ricoh Theta X is equipped with a powerful 2.3 image sensor and a bright f2.0 lens, allowing you to capture crystal clear images even in low light. It also has a maximum ISO sensitivity of 12,800, allowing you to capture the finest details in any scene. The Ricoh Theta X also comes with 4K video recording, allowing you to capture stunning, high-definition videos in 360. It also has an advanced stabilization system that ensures your videos remain steady and blur-free. Number 5. Welcome to Trisio Lite2, the latest in performance lighting technology. Our Lite2 is designed to provide the highest level of illumination for any space. From small to large, with its advanced LED technology, it's perfect for offices, showrooms, and other commercial spaces. Trisio Lite2 is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the level of light in the room to your exact preferences. It's equipped with motion sensors that detect movement and adjust the light levels accordingly, saving energy and money. You can also choose to control the level of light manually with the included remote control. The Trisio Lite2 has a sleek, modern design that will blend in beautifully with any decor. It's made with high-quality materials that are built to last and provide years of reliable service. It's also easy to install, with a simple plug-and-play setup so you can get up and running right away. Trisio Lite2 is the perfect choice for those looking for a reliable, efficient lighting solution for their space. With its advanced features, easy installation, and modern design,